brand new day here. You guys are enjoying it so far. Hopefully quite beautiful out. And I'm sorry for the late start, guys, but it is 11:58 in the morning. And guys, I'm sorry for the late start. But I slept later than I normally do. It's quite bright out here. As you can see. Yeah, you're definitely going to be feeling quite a bit of heat. So it's going to be hot today too. Unfortunately. Well guys, the sun's currently behind a cloud for the moment. It's coming out again, so never mind. It's easier to deal with when a cloud passes under it. But my stepmom is coming home from the psych ward today, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to hang out in the room. She's asking for at least an hour. I may end up giving her an hour and 20 minutes for all I know. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do because I don't have anywhere to go right now. So I'm kind of stuck in a rock and a hard place right now. Hey guys, I did try to see if my flashlight was in the tent out here. It's not. I don't know what happened to that thing. But it's long missing, as is my air horn. And I don't have the money to replace them. So you guys want certain types of videos? I'm gonna have to find a way to get the money for a new flashlight and a new air horn. Maybe get more than one air horn this time. Well, more than two actually, because I had two that last time. Well guys, it is very hot out here, but here's one plus side here. So far, the East Coast is flattening the curve pretty well since the holiday weekend, because normally we're getting like 2,000 to 3,000 new active cases every day. Well, last 2 days, we haven't even gotten that. We've only gotten a total of maybe 5,000 new cases in the last 2 days. So we are flattening the curve here. We were sitting at just over 50,000 on July 4th. Now we're sitting at 55,211. But I can promise you guys this now. Just in New York alone, when you look at the deaths versus the recoveries, it's a big difference. If you want proof of this, guys, go to your Google search and type in infection map JHU. That's going to be your proof. Yeah, I got back a while ago, guys, from my trip to Chester. While I was down there, I went to Office Depot, and as I bought a new pack of pens, I asked if they were hiring. I found out they're hiring. Really good people there too, because the guy helped me out. And the cashier I went to the register with, he really helped me out. So honestly, if you're watching this, man, shout out to you, and thank you for the help. Anyways, I gotta let you guys go for a moment. Oh, hold on, it didn't
Oh,
record.
hand me a
Yeah,
gun.
I pressed the button, it didn't do it. That one didn't even spark, it seems.
Shit.
Now,
Motherfucker, I'm gonna show you.
be careful.
Back up.
Fuck are you?
There we go. There it is. I got it on camera.
Nice.
They're what's called pop rocks, everyone. Oh, oh, that's loud.
That one was premature.
And
Yeah.
no, this one's
And I can
pretty far.
smell that.
Hold on, give me 2 of them. Give me 2 of them.
That's always a fun smell.
Okay, 1, 2.
2, there's 2, man.
Yeah, Joe was scared out of his mind on the 4th of July. By the way, the dog.
Back up.
Hey, back up. They will hurt your feet. I got smacked by them.
Ooh. Oh, that provided some nice sparks.
Hey, look at this one though. I got fun.
All right, just be careful, little man, okay?
Didn't hit hard enough.
Let's go get that.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no.
I go right there.
No, 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 no.
Trust me, his parents don't care. As long as an adult's with him.
2 ignorant adults that have autism.
Here's the thing though. His mother lets him hang out with me. His mother let him go all the way to the Family Dollar with me.
That far?
Yeah.
Yes.
At night? I'm worried about that layer. Ow.
Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, that little montage of us throwing the pop rocks on the ground. I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And subscribe if you're new. Also, if you can, please turn on post notifications.
And click that bell.
That way you can all be notified of every new video posted on my channel. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video.